before I came here, I was probably like mid 70s. That was like my grades. Now I have like high 80s, low 90s. So it's definitely improved significantly since I've come to BOCES.
When we're doing hands-on, I can actually learn versus doing textbooks. It's hard to understand the concept. When I'm doing hands-on, I get to experience and see it and know what I'm doing. Because this is all you're seeing and feeling.
So we have projects like right now I'm working on a fender in there where, you know, when I first got it, it was black. It had, you know, a bunch of stuff on it. So I had to strip it all down to bare metal with a, you know, DA sander. Just, you know, learning how to fix a dent on it. I dented it up so I could put body filler in it. And, you know, just learning how to do all sorts of different stuff.
I get to fix cars even if they're not going to be able to run. We still have the opportunity to learn how to fix dents, learn how to paint. So even if we wanted to become a painter, we have different career paths that we can go towards. My teacher is an amazing person. He has changed my life a lot. He is a great guy, and he's always helpful. He's one guy, and we have a lot of kids, but he's always running around to make sure that everyone's knowing what they're doing.